Right students, let us do some problems on this one. See this problem. Express 4 plus 2a by 1 minus 2a plus 3 plus 4a by 2 plus 3a in the form of a plus ib. a plus ib. Right? So, see this one. 4 plus 2a by 1 minus 2a into, here it is the 1 minus 2a. You should multiply with 1 plus 2i by 1 plus 2i plus 3 plus 4i by 2 plus 3i into 2 minus 3i by 2 minus 3i. So that equal to, what is the denominator? A minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square. 1 minus 4i square, or you can do directly a square plus b square. A minus ib into a plus ib is a square plus b square. Numerator, first 4 into 1 4 plus 8i plus 2i into 1 2i, 2i into 2i plus 4i square plus this one denominator 4 minus 9i square, 3 times 6 minus 9i plus 8i minus 12i square, that equal to 4 plus 8i plus 12 10i, I square means minus 1, that is the minus 4 by 1 plus 4, I square is minus 1 minus minus plus 6 minus 9i plus 8i minus I square is minus 1 minus minus plus 12 by 4 plus 9. What is this equal to? 4 gets cancelled. 10i by 5 plus 6 plus 12 18 minus I by 13, that equal to, now that is the LCM is 65, 13 into 5. So, or you can do in this way, 10i by 5, that equal to 2i plus 18 minus I by 13. Now take the LCM. LCM is 13. Take 13. 13 into 2i, 26i plus 18 minus I. What is this equal to? 18 minus 25i by 13. 18 minus 25i by 13. That equal to 18 by 13 plus that is the minus 25 by 13 I. So that is in the form of a plus ib, where a is 18 by 13 and what is the b? Minus 25 by 13. So in this way we have to express in the form of a plus ib. Right? Now see another problem. If a plus ib whole square equal to x plus iy, find x square plus y square. Find the value of x square plus y square. Find the value of x square plus y square. A plus ib whole square equal to x plus iy. What is this implies? A square plus I square b square plus 2abi equal to x plus iy. That implies a square minus b square plus 2abi equal to x plus iy. Now on comparing, what is the x equal to? A square minus b square, and what is the y equal to? 2ab. Y equal to 2ab. Now what is the value? X square plus y square. What is the x value? A square minus b square whole square plus, what is the y? 2ab whole square. What is this equal to? A power 4 plus b power 4 minus 2a square b square plus 4a square b square. What is this equal to? A power 4 plus b power 4 plus 4 minus 2 plus 2 a square b square. That is nothing but a square plus b square whole square. That is the value of x square plus y square. Right students, now see this problem. This is a very important problem. If x plus iy equal to 3 by 2 plus cos theta plus I sin theta, then show that x square plus y square equal to 4x minus 3. Very important problem. See this one. Solution. X plus iy equal to 3 by 2 plus cos theta plus I sin theta into, what you have to do? 2 plus cos theta minus I sin theta by 2 plus cos theta minus I sin theta, that is equal to, so denominator is a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, 2 plus cos theta whole square minus I square sin square theta, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Now multiply with 3 into 2 plus cos theta minus 3i sin theta, that is equal to 3 into 2 plus cos theta minus 3i sin theta by, whatever the denominator, 4 plus cos square theta plus 2 into 2 4 cos theta. See this, I square is the minus 1, minus plus sin square theta, that is equal to 3 into 2 plus cos theta minus 3i sin theta by cos square theta plus sin square theta 1, cos square theta plus sin square theta 1 plus 4 5 plus 4 cos theta, 5 plus 4 cos theta, that is equal to 3 into 2 plus cos theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta minus 3i sin theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta. So that is the x plus iy, x plus iy. Now on comparing, what is the x value? 3 into 2 plus cos theta, 3 into 2 plus cos theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta, comma y equal to minus 3 sin theta, by 5 plus 4 cos theta. Now consider LHS. What is the LHS equal to? X square plus y square. LHS equal to x square plus y square. That is 3 into 2 plus cos theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square plus minus 3 sin theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square. So now the denominator is 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square. That is the denominator. What are the numerator? 9 into 2 plus cos theta whole square. 4 plus cos square theta plus 4 cos theta plus minus 2 whole square 9 sin square theta. Now from the numerator take 9 common. 1 plus 4 plus cos square theta plus 4 cos theta plus sin square theta, that is equal to by 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square. What is the numerator? 4 cos square plus sin square 1. Cos square theta plus sin square theta 1. 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 4 cos theta whole by 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square. This square cancel. What is this equal to? 9 by 5 plus 4 cos theta. That is the LHS. 9 by 5 plus 4 cos theta. That is LHS. Now let us find the RHS. Now let us find RHS. Whatever the RHS, 4x minus 3. RHS equal to 4x minus 3. That equal to 4 into. What is the x value? 3 into 2 plus cos theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta. X value minus 3 by, now take the LCM, 5 plus 4 cos theta. Multiply this 4 into 3. 12 into 2 plus cos theta. 12 into 2 plus cos theta minus 3 into 5 plus 4 cos theta. That equal to 24 plus 12 cos theta minus 15 minus 12 cos theta. Minus 12 cos theta whole by 5 plus 4 cos theta. 12 cos theta cancel. 24 minus 5. 9 by 5 plus 4 cos theta. So that equal to, now what will happen? LHS and RHS. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, x square plus y square equal to 4x minus 3. Right students, this is a very important problem. Right, once go through this one and do on your own way. Right, thank you.